Vaultoro Crypto Gold Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Vaultoro Crypto Gold Wallet app is one of the few platforms that bridges digital currency with real, physical gold. But is it as revolutionary as it sounds, or just another niche wallet? Let's break down the pros and cons to see if it's worth your trust. Let's start with the pros. The most unique feature of Vaultoro is its gold-backed trading system. Users can buy and sell physical gold instantly using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. That means you can store real gold in a Swiss vault, fully insured and allocated to your name, while maintaining liquidity through crypto. This feature alone gives users a sense of tangible security that most digital wallets simply can't offer. Another major advantage is transparency. Vaultoro publishes regular public audits, allowing anyone to verify the exact amount of gold stored versus withheld by users. In a world where many crypto exchanges lack transparency, this is a refreshing approach. The app also supports instant trading between gold and Bitcoin, giving users a smart hedge against crypto volatility. When markets are unstable, you can shift into gold. When prices rise again, you can jump back into crypto all within seconds. Now, let's talk about the cons. First, limited asset support. Vaultoro currently focuses on Bitcoin and gold, so if you want to manage multiple cryptocurrencies, this won't replace your main wallet. Another drawback is storage fees. Since the gold is physically stored and insured, there are small monthly costs associated with holding it. It's not much, but it's worth noting for long-term holders. In conclusion, Vaultoro is a fascinating hybrid part digital wallet, part precious metal vault. The surprising truth? It might not be for everyone, but for users who value stability and real-world backing in a volatile market, Vaultoro offers a level of trust that's hard to beat.